Thanks.
I am chilling with Uskuva Luva, an award-winning multi-award-winning artist in the country. Umchita oba brave enough, babesaba abaye to take on inkabi. Wayithatha, wayibeka ngale ya wathi RIP. But anyways, asikho lapho. Skuva, I think this is your second time you are here.
Third time.
Yo,
Yeah,
we are tired at Logisland.
yileli ngithandayo so umuntu uma ekuthanda naye kufanele kumthande back so ngifika nje okokuqala banginikeza uthando ngafile ngathi ngikwamasho ngisemoriya yabo so la kusekhaya la even like noma ngingezi la into engiyithandayo okwesi-4 ngifika okwesibili ngangifika khona ngangidlula wathi umnikazi wala ekhaya uJabule wathi ngoba ngibonile uperform eMpumalanga ngicela udlule NPM khona uthatha inyama ufika wasinika inyama sadlula saqhubeka sasiya eMbombela so sekuyisekhaya so mabe ngibiza ngiyasabela like intombi ikuthanda kakhulu mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi amajidi uqala ngithi ube yisoka and then intombi maziningi khona ezokuthanda ikuthandela imali khona ezokuthanda nje ukuthi for fun mase kuba khona ezokuthanda ifuna ukubona uprogressa mase uyabona ukuthi yazini lo muntu kuzo zonke intombi zama ngimshade because ngiyabona ukuthi so nayo ke NPM sengiyishadile ila enhlizweni yami because ehlezi yabona ithi Skuva siyakudinga bayakudinga abantu basemkhondo so uzwakala so yeah sekuyisekhaya la.
And you always give electrifying performances. There was this event you attended. I think ile kamthandeni la wafaka khona iBrainwood. Hey yakuhlala yayithukelwe kuwe leyo.
Yo ngiyabonga compliment yo like into engayenza nje ngangihlonipha invitation isimemo siyahlonishwa because yakwakuyi-event kaMaskandi kwakuyimina i-artist I think sasiwu-2 or 3 ama-artist esingawona wamaskandi so kumina ukuthola leliya thuba lelo kwakufanele ngiwahlonipha amabhinqa ngigqoke njengabo so I think from ekubahlonipheni ngagqoka njengabo yila nakhona kwakubenza ukuthi bekwazi ukuqala belilalela ukuthi kanti le hip hop ehlezi itshela ukuthi yenhlamba noma nani inayo imessage because once waqala wabakhombisa ukuhlonipha nabo bayakunika inhlonipho bekulalela shout out to amabhinqa bekho abantu abasupportanayo nabaneqiniso nothando njengamabhinqa so ngalela langa ngafunda okuningi so ngiyacela niphinde nikubhukheni mabhinqa ngiphinde ngigqoke uBrainwood ngoba ngisawubekile ngihloniphila ngeke ngigqoke noma ikuphi ngigqoke entweni eyamabhinqa because ngiyawahlonipha amabhinqa
and ngisafisa yazi nami ukugqoka uBrainwood ubala ubami yashada ngoDisemba so ngiyacabanga ngizowuzama but
uyasinda yo kumele udle ngempela la udle
no I will try ngidle bese ngiyawuzama but ufitha in kanjani in different genres of music especially because uthi nani babili in a Maskandi festival. How did you feel number one ukuthi hey ngiyoperforma emcimbini wamabhinqa and I'm a hip hop artist wafila kanjani and how i-preparation yakhona yaba kanjani?
I think like njengoba like kade ngichaza ukuthi like kwakuthusa vele ukuthi like angikho kwi-comfort zone yami and amabhinqa like sometimes into mayingayizwa ngempela angicela ukubhuka njengoba wabona ezinye izinto ezazenzeka abanye bejikijelwa ngamabhodlela one mistake kumabhinqa ijumpile so ngayenza show ukuthi ngenze homework yami ukuthi okay so kumele ngiyothenga uBrainwood so kumele ngithole ngi-Omega so kumele ngithenge ibhande neskipa sebringit kuze ngifane nabo kuze ngizokwazi ukuthi bezokwazi ukuthi benginike indlebe belalela into engizoyenza nangempela kwangisebenzela lokho because angifuni uqamba ngangithukile akufani nokuthi ngizoperforma la ekhaya ngiyazi la ukuthi kunama-2K kunabantu yabo okungabona bamaskandi kuphela laphana 95% Maskandi i-audience esukile lapha so kuzukwazi ukuyiwina fanele ngempela usebenzise ubuhlakani so I think ngingasebenzisa ubuhlakani and kwangisebenzela
I think you are up next ngibona ama-mic asesondela ngakuwe but the big question you and Big Zulu what's the beef? What's the beef you and Big Zulu? Is it just a game or is there real beef and what's the beef if there is?
Angikho rude yabo akukona ukuba rude lokho phathi I think sebengibuze kakhulu lembuzo ngayiphendula mawukuthi abantu abangakazi le answer lebuzwayo ngizocela ukuthi behambe nje beseshe ama-interview akaDuncan bezoyithola khona impendulo because njengamanje like sengizama nami ukuthi ngiqhubeke like nempilo yami nomculo wami ngingalokhu ngistakhe endaweni eyodwa lokhu kuthiwa kwenzakalani phakathi kwakho no-Big Zulu but no kune-album uDuncan nje ayikhiphile ebizwa ngokuthi incwadi yezolo ngicela abantu befocus kuleyo nto leyo uzako nengoma ayikhiphile naye uBig Zulu ngicela befocus kuleyo uBeast une-album ayikhiphile naye ngicela abantu befocus kulokho lokhu kokubuza zama-beef kuyobonakala ukuthi kwenzakalani ekuhambeni kwesikhathi yabo ngicabanga ukuthi nje sengiyiphendule kakhulu yambuza ungixolele bhuti wami hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngithini like ukuthi kubona into masusubuzwe njalo yeah.
I just had to put you on that spot ngikubona ukuthi
and wenze kahle wawubuza kuze nabanye mabebuka la sebezokwazi ukuthi hayi no seku-right man yabo
awungibambe ngathunyana buzz before you go on stage
esana mina nginamabhazi but ngoba wacelile ngizokunikeza ngegazi lami uSkuvu seyongena estage bazohlanya ekhasi ngoba ngivele ngiphethe uzaka uBeast zonke nisazogcwala
so uma nisuka la because it's the Three Kings tour so right now in Semkhondo what's the next town or what's the next city
masuka lana I think ukuthi angakayazi kahle indawo but beke ngike ngezwa ngendaba yeVal ngisazokhuluma noNjabulo kunendaba yeVal ukuthi angakayazi indawo nabanje nje abaqhubeke bengene epage lika Beast RSA bekuzakwe uzakwe bekuDuncan SA bazothola khona yonke information yokuthi i3 Kings izobika kwezinye indawo sibhukheni bafethu ukuze sifike endaweni zangakini sibhukheni
i-rate card yeni ithini
no bazoyithola mase besifonela
oh such a humble soul. By the way, the first time ngikubona in person were in Joburg. Sasise 15, you may not remember. Sasise 15, wawuku Cotton Fest Festival.
Oh yeah.
Can't remember the hotel we slept in. But we slept in the same hotel.
Yeah.
We're in the same lift. And a friend of mine was great and you were just so humble. I'm so grateful. Even right now, when we ask for an interview, you're so humble. Not the way you are conversing. You're just a humble guy. And continue doing that. I wish ukuthi ungangena on our page Wave Sessions, Wave Sessions podcast, and you will see some of the talent that we have in Mkhondo. And I wish ukuthi kungaba khona nabo ongasebenza nabo or ongaba assist. It doesn't have to be a feature, but just that advice and that mentorship, it would mean a lot.
No problem.
Says Vala, please ask your fans not to forget to follow, to subscribe, and to comment to the Wave Sessions podcast.
Bafethu ngicela ke ni follow leli page, ni subscribe, nilandele, nenze konke okuhle kuze nizothola zonke into ezishisayo nama interview ashisayo. Zonke izinto ezenzakalayo. Landelani leli page. Yebo baba.
Uskuva lo, i-Wave Sessions le, Mr. S lo, signing out.
Sure.